Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to look at the subcontractors on the Southern Coastal Highway project. Now recently the Prime Minister issued a directive to the Minister with responsibility for works, Everald Warmington, to arrange a meeting with the local contractors. So basically, how did we get to this point? So the Southern Coastal Highway is being built from Harbour to Port Antonio. Now, this is a $59 billion project, and it's the largest road project the government has on the way right now. Now, the main contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. They are responsible for building the entire highway. I think it's something like 110 kilometers of road, but it's going to run from Harbour to Port Antonio. 140 kilometers of highway. And China Harbour Engineering Company, they built the North-South Highway and did an excellent job. They built the 3 miles overpass. Basically, they are the company that is building all the highways in Jamaica now. They seem to have a proven track record and they seem to do a good job. Now, the PJ Patterson Highway, the first highway, which was Highway 2000, was built by a different company. But other than that, I think all the major highways are being built by China Harbour Engineering Company now. So, China Harbour Engineering Company is a contractor. They are responsible for the entire roadway, the 140 kilometers from Harbour to Port Antonio. Now, they're building it in different sections. Now, on certain sections or certain parts of the road, they are using subcontractors. And that's where the local contractors come in now. 10 contractors have been hired by China Harbour as subcontractors to work on specific parts of the road. Now, China Harbour, no, the project is delayed, without a doubt. The project is delayed. Now, China Harbour is saying that the local contractors are underperforming. And China Harbour is also saying that the local contractors are working too slow. They're complaining about the pace of the work. They are complaining about the underperformance of the subcontractors. And if the local contractors are negligent, then China Harbour Engineering Company will have to step in and fix the project. Because where the subcontractor work is insufficient in performance, China Harbour Engineering Company is obligated to step in and do the work. So basically, China Harbour is saying the local contractors are not living up to the responsibility of their contract. So when China Harbour Engineering said that, and the residents are complaining because look at the roadway we are driving on. I mean, seriously, this road is a disgrace. And the persons that use this road are complaining about the state of the road. They're complaining about other things too, but the main grouse they have is with the condition of the road. And that is why they're passing the blame. China Harbour is seen as a local contractor. And now the local contractors wrote to the Prime Minister and asked to have a meeting with him. Because NWA is responsible for the road project. And NWA is under the Ministry of Economic Growth. And so the local contractors wrote a letter to the Prime Minister and asked to have a meeting with him to discuss the project. Now, the local contractors met with the Prime Minister, and during the meeting, they made their points, which now the local contractors are saying, I mean, the road project is delayed. There's no question about it. And the state of the road is unacceptable. There's no denying that. Now, what the local contractors are saying, the NWA is in charge of the project. So the local contractors are saying they have to get project approval from the NWA consultants. And they're saying the NWA consultants are taking a long time to give them the approvals. So that's one of the reasons why things are moving so slow. Also, they're saying the pace at which they are acquiring the land for the local contract for the road to be built on is very slow. And they're saying they're having difficulty being compensated for the extended contractual period from China Harbour Engineering Company. And the current contract between China Harbour Engineering Company and the local contractors put the local contractors at a significant disadvantage when compared to China Harbour Engineering Company. So these persons met with the Prime Minister, and the subcontractors said they were happy with the Prime Minister's management of the meeting, and they said Mr. Holness appeared sympathetic to the issues raised by the subcontractors. Now, the Prime Minister said he's going to consult with China Harbour Engineering Company and the consultants on the project, and then he will make his position known after the consultations. So basically, that's where it is now. So the project was to finish in 2023, but the project is now slated to finish in 2025, and it started in 2017. Now, it's a very, very nice road, I must say, but I'm not sure. Let's wait and hear what the Prime Minister says, because one, the road is delayed. We all know that. Two, the condition of the road that the people have to drive on, I believe, is unacceptable. It's like the worst road in Jamaica the people have to drive on now. And yes, you have a lot of discomfort. It happened with the Constant Spring Road project and the Hagley Park Road project. A lot of inconvenience, but I think the state of this certain section of this road is worse than it was ever in Constant. Worse than when they were doing the road works on the Constant Spring Road or the Hagley Park Road. So let's wait and see what happens. But many persons often say, you know, why are we giving all these major road projects to foreign companies? Why don't we give it to a local company? And I used to say that until the Junction Main Road was being built. Now, that road was given to a local contractor, and I think it's delayed up to 2-3 years now, and I don't even think the road is finished. After I saw that, now I understood why they give it to the foreign companies. Now, this road, China Harbour is the main contractor, so when I heard that subcontractors were being used, I said, great, the Jamaican contractors will get the experience, and maybe in the future they can get the major projects. But based on this, I mean, I really don't know. Things are bad, but hopefully it will be sorted out soon. But the important thing is Jamaica is going to get a very nice highway at the end of the day. It will be finished, we know that for a fact, and it's going to be a very nice road. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on what's going on with the subcontractors and China Harbour rebuilding of the road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.